The cool thing is that Minimog theme offers 4 different menu types. For example, I will go to the header option on the left, and then I will add a collection menu here. I want to show this mega menu under the collections item, so I will type collections on the right settings. I can also add some collections here. What this will do is basically it will show our previously added menu items on the left and then the collections on the right side. On the left side, you'll see the dummy content that we added in the navigation menu. And on the right side, you can see the 2 collections that I added in the right settings. Now, if we remove these collections from the right settings, and then if we hover over collections, you'll see that the collections are not showing anymore, and it is only showing the recently added dummy content. We also have a banner mega menu here. If you want to showcase any promotional banner in the menu, you can do that by using this banner mega menu. Since I don't have any good banners at this moment, I will delete this menu. You can also add a top bar in your header, where you can show basic info, like your business email, contact info, and other details. For now, I will delete this section, as this is not looking good. I prefer to use these contact info in the footer section of the store. Just like we edited the other parts of the store, we can edit the footer as well. Alright, we are almost done with the store customization. Now I will show you some of the most important settings of this store. If you click on the settings icon on the left, it will open up the theme settings. From here, you can control the general settings of your theme. You can upload your site favicon here. Favicon is basically this small icon, which appears in the browser tab. Next, we have some other settings here. The most important setting is the typography. You can change the font styles of the entire store from this sections. You only need to select a different font style here, which will be applied to the store in no time. Next up, we have color settings. You can add your brand colors here and then use them during your store customization. You can set colors for background, for buttons, for text, and much more. If you don't have your brand colors, you can simply visit this website where you'll find hundreds of color palettes. You can choose any of these palettes and use it on your store. These are some of the most important settings for a Shopify store. Of course, we do have some other settings, but these are very self-explanatory, so I won't spend extra time explaining them. Our store design part is already completed. We have set up the home page, product page, and collection pages too. The store is giving a professional vibe. Of course, we are using a trial version of the Minimog theme, which is why we aren't able to publish it. But once you purchase the theme, you'll be able to publish the theme with just a click of a button. Of course, there are some technical steps that you need to take care of before publishing your store. For example, you need to add a payment gateway, add a custom domain, add policy pages and shipping info as well. These are some technical steps, which is why I am not covering them in this video. I have already made separate videos on these topics, and I will leave the link to those videos in the video description. You can simply follow those videos and finish the store setup. And then you'll be able to launch your store. If you haven't bought the Minimog theme yet, make sure to use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description.